Hello and welcome to this 30-day series that I am going to be doing, where I'm going to be showing you 30 days of 30 different hairstyles. Okay, so let's just hop into the video. This is what we're working with. My hair is pressed, but she is very oily. She is very much in need of a wash. I've been doing a couple styles here and there, and this is what we are working with. This is our foundation. So today I think I'm feeling a I wanted to do something cutesy. Let me just brush it out because it just feels so good when I brush it out. So I'm just brushing it out right now. But in my mind, I think I want to do an updo because, you know, that's what I've just been feeling lately. So we're gonna try an updo. Make a part down the middle. Super cute. I think I want 2 face framing pieces. I love 2 little face framing pieces. I don't know why, but I do. Okay, 2 face framing pieces, and then we're gonna do something to put this up. Should I put all of it up or partially? I think maybe I want to do partially. Let's try that. A little partially up. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my hair at the corners, pull it until I have half of it sectioned. So this top half we're gonna work on, and I'm gonna clip this bottom half up. This bottom half up because we're not working on the bottom half at all, and I don't want the hair to get mixed in together. So that's what we're gonna do. Okay, now we're gonna work on this little top half right here. I'm gonna leave like partially the middle part because I just like how a middle part looks on my face. So I'm gonna comb it down, but still like it's in the middle part. So I'm gonna leave that part there. Okay. Finding jam, I know, do not come for me, but I just, for my hair, I just like the hold that it gives. I'm sorry. Do not come for me. Okay. And I'm going to continue to brush it up so that the hair knows which way it's supposed to go. Okay, so I did my little swoop on this side. Now, let's go to this side and do the same thing. Swoop-de-swoop. It's called the loop-de-loop. Okay, ready? Swoop. Swoop, 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 swoop. Brush it one more time. It's still keeping my part. All right, now I'm gonna take 2 ponytails, double wrap them. I have super thick hair. If you have thin hair, then you probably won't need 2 ponytails to hold your hair. But my hair is super thick, so that's what I'm gonna do. All right, it looks good like this, so I'm gonna go ahead and secure this ponytail in place. 2 and 3, And then I'm gonna tighten it for extra security. Okay, that's what she looks like now. Now that everything is good, I'm gonna take one of my favorite hairsprays. I'm almost out. This is the Kenra volume spray 25. She is a super hold, okay? Okay, now that your base is done, I'm gonna take this part and I'm gonna make a little cute bun. Now, since my hair has layers in it, parts of this that I'm twisting are gonna start to come out. You see that? Because my hair is in layers. So that's kind of the look that I wanted to have. You see how it's like sticking up? We're just gonna roll with it. And I'm gonna take this, another hair tie. Go ahead, twice around and secure it. And yeah, there's some pieces sticking out, and I think that makes the look super like not formal and a little messy. So that's cute. Now I'm gonna take the second half out. And gonna brush it. I think she's super cute, super easy, super fun. I'm gonna turn around so that you can see it in the back. I mean, it looks good from the front. What happened in the back ain't really my business. Final look at the hairstyle. She's cute, she's simple, she's easy, and she looks effortless. So if you like it, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and stick around for the other 29 days that I will be doing this challenge. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.